Hi guys, welcome. My name's Mary Makinde and I'm the university's BAME Strategic lead. Traditionally in the UK, Black History Month is a month in which we celebrate the achievements and contributions of members of the Black community within our society. As a Black woman, I can certainly tell you that 2020 has been an extremely challenging year for the Black community, with the disproportionate impact of COVID-19, but also the recent killings that we've seen that have resulted globally in the Black Lives Movement. As such, this year the university will be taking a very different approach to Black History Month, and we will be having Closing Our Gap Black History 365. In this way, we are recognising the importance of dismantling racism within the society that we live in, but equally also recognising that members of the Black community contribute to our society 365 days a year and not just in the month of October. And that's quite important to me as an individual because I do feel like I contribute every day to our society, but also I felt the impact myself of racism. So for me, it's something that as a community, we have to all work together. It takes all of us to dismantle racism and have that discussion. Sometimes those discussions are very uncomfortable, but it does require us to step into the unknown. Great things can happen, and I truly believe as an individual, diversity is our superpower. As we start the launch of Closing Our Gap Black History 365, I would urge that every single member of staff and students across the university to get involved with a lot of the campaigns that we're having.